Hello everyone, I am Kitkupar Nongsiej and I am from Kinshi, East and West Khasinews district, and I am 23 years of age. So I just want to say thank you to our Honorable Chief Minister for his kind support on my journey to the World Championship of Performing Arts. I think without him I might not be able to compete on this competition also. So thank you so much, sir, for being a part of my journey, and today I brought 3 medals, 3 gold medals and 2 bronze for my state, for my country. So it's a big achievement for my journey and for my life. So thank you so much, sir. God bless you.
When the road is long and the sky turns gray, hold on tight, don't lose your way. Every scar becomes alive, guiding hearts through every night. One small step, one faithful dream, you're stronger than you may seem. Rise again, don't be afraid. Hope is born where prayers are made. Every sunrise brings a brand new start. Love and courage fill your heart. Stand up tall, let your spirit shine. Your story is a gift divine. Keep believing you'll find your way. The best is yet to come today. So walk in faith, embrace the climb. Your light will shine beyond all time.